Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. Today we will solve the addition stories of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. So kids, yesterday I have told you to solve. So today once again I will solve this. Read the story problem, read the number written on each bird. Lovebird. Okay. Anthony is a bird keeper at the bird park. He takes care of various kinds of birds. Anthony is a person who keeps the birds, varieties of the birds, and take care of that birds. So now we will see here are some birds given, and that how many varieties of the birds are here given, we will check it. Lovebird 234, parrots 140, dove 232, hornbill 59, hen 335, pelican 42, ostrich 46, sparrow 32, penguin 36, duck 632, eagle 452. So look at the birds here, and write the number correspondingly to the birds. Look at the box above, then find the sum. One has been done for you. Here this is pelican is of 42, and this is sparrow is of 32. So now we will add all both together, how many birds together are. So now kids, we will go to the next one, that is which this is penguin. So what's a penguin here? Is of 36, right here 36. And this is ostrich is of 46, right here 46. Now both you add. While adding, which you will add kids? First always you will add ones place. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 here, 1 will be carried for the next number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Answer is 82. So kids, now next here penguin, we have to add penguin. Ostrich is of number 46, and pelican is of 40. Here we will add 42. Then first we will add ones place. 6 plus 2 is 8, and tens place 4 plus 4 is 8. So total answer is 88. Now here is a lovebird, number is 234, and next one is hen is 335. Now we add first all the ones places. 4 plus 5 is of 9. 3. Next we will add of tens place. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 100 place. 2 plus 3 is 5. Total answer is, the sum of the above two number is 569. Next parrot is of 140. Now the lovebird is 234. So same here also, we are adding first the ones place numbers. 0 plus 4, answer is 4. You know the property of the 0. When you add 0 to any number, the answer will be that number. So now tens place 10. 4 plus 3, answer is 7. 100 place 1. plus 2, answer is 3. The total sum of the above two numbers are 374. Second one, here is of lovebirds. Number is 234. Penguin. Number is 36. So here 100 place is not there. So you write directly 3 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. So if 100 place is not there, leave it. 4, always we add the ones place numbers first. 4 plus 6, answer is 10. So 10, you got the answer is like this. So only write 0 in the ones place, and this one, the place answer you got in the tens place, you carry to the next place. So from the tens place you will carry to the 100 place, but from ones place where you will carry? For the tens place. So now we add this carry given number with the given number in the tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Now if 100 place is not given, leave it empty, directly add the number given numbers. Directly write here 2. So sum of the above two number is 270. So now next, lovebird 234 and eagle 452. Add ones place 4 plus 2, 6, tens place 3 plus 5, 8, 100 place 2 plus 4, answer is 6. So total sum of the above number is 686. Next, here is hornbill. The number is 59. Write 5 in tens place, 9 in ones place, and sparrow 32. 3 in tens place, 2 in ones place. 9 plus 2, answer is 11. 1 in the place of ones and another one in the place of tens. We give it carry to a next place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Answer is 91. The sum of the above two number is 91. Next we will find the sum of next number. Here is duck. Duck, the number of the duck is 632. And hornbill 59. 5 in tens place, 9 in ones place. So leave the 100 place. If not given, leave it. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 in the ones place and another one in the carries to the next place, that is in tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Answer is 9. Then 6 directly write here. 691. The sum of these two numbers are 691. Ostrich. Ostrich is how many? Number of ostriches are 46. Sparrow 32. 6 plus 2. Answer is 8. 4 plus 3, 7. The sum of 46 and 32 is 78. So kids, now last one. This is a dove. Number 232. Plus we add a ducks. Ducks is 632. Now we add always ones place numbers first. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. The sum of 232 and 632 is 864. So kids, whenever, once again I will explain you, there are the number of birds are given and that we have added with that particular pictures. And now you know the addition of 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. Whenever you will add, that time you have to add always first ones place value numbers and then tens and then 100. So kids, always you add ones place and then tens and then 100 place numbers. So and the property of 0, the number whatever you add to the 0, the number itself will be the answer. And if you add 0 plus 0, always 0, 0 minus 0, always 0. So remember these properties of zeros. And kids, you complete this in your workbook and have a nice day. Those who have made wrong yesterday, you all can make it correct today. So learn this and have a nice day, kids. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.